So we are going to look at a simple technique to animate an object disassembling and assembling back together. To get started, delete the default cube as it is tradition and bring your object here. Move this object to a new collection, name it anything. Now go to edit mode, press P to separate by loose parts. Press tab to go back to object mode. Right click, set origin to center of mass volume and disable this collection. Add a new object. Any object will work because we are not going to need its mesh data. Switch over to geometry nodes workspace. Click new to create a new node tree and drag and drop your collection here. Click on separate children and connect its output to geometry output. And we have this object in geometry nodes. Now add a set position node. Add a position node. Connect it to the position input of the set position node. Add a vector math node. Change its operation from add to scale. Now look at this. If we increase its scale, it disassembles like this. Now we are technically done, but we can do a few more things. First of all of the objects are going out simultaneously, and I want that outer objects should start to move first and the inner ones later. To do that, I am going to add a gradient texture node, change it to spherical, output to scale. Now add a math node, a clamp node. For now, I am going to keep its minimum value to 1 and maximum value to 1.1. Add a map range node from minimum of 1 to from maximum of 1.1, same as these values, to minimum of 1 to maximum of, let's say, 10 for now. Now if we change the add value here, we get something like this. Now if you see, the internal objects are moving first and we want opposite of that. To do that, I'm going to add another math node here and subtract it from 1 like this. And now if I try to move it, we get something like this. Now if you see, this part in particular going out like this and intersecting here. We don't want that. I want this part to move in the y direction so that this doesn't happen. To do that, I'm going to hide this object for now and bring back the original collection. And in that, if I want these objects to move along y-axis, I need to place their origins on y-axis. So I'll do that. In the option, I'm going to enable origins and move the cursor little to the y direction. And I will do the same thing for the other side in opposite direction. I'm going to disable this collection back and bring back our object with the geometry nodes. If I change the add value now, you see how it's behaving. And we are done. Now we do a little lighting and compositing and we get this. Now we just need to keyframe this and we are done. Let's see how it looks. Thank you for watching.